Four things are changing in the online coaching world right now. And if you're not paying attention, you might end up wondering why your program stopped growing. Shift number one, you've probably seen it. Big coaches shutting down their program. They're saying, we're closing everything down. Dramatic announcement, it's over. And if you're running a program yourself, that might have made you a bit nervous. But here is what's actually happening. They're not quitting. They're restructuring it. And this is just a marketing play. Same content almost, different structure, but this time AI built into it. AI to help people implement. Because that's the only way they're going to get people results, is by helping them implement. AI baked into the support, AI built into how people take action. They know that the old model, here is the content, I'll let you figure it out. You have access for a while so you can come back to it when you're ready. That doesn't work anymore. But the good news is you don't need to shut down your program. You just need to pay attention to what they are doing, not necessarily what they are saying. Shift number two, the big promise launch is dying. 6 figures in 90 days. Replace your income in 12 weeks. People used to buy the dream. They don't anymore. They've been burned too many times. Now they want proof. Show me who actually got results. Show me what they did, how long it took. And the coach is still leaning on big promises with no client results to show for. Their numbers are dropping and they can't figure out why. Shift number three, people are done learning. They don't even want to learn AI. They want results. Nobody wants another 47 module program with a couple of calls sprinkled in. If your program is mostly content with a few calls, these models are over. Because content is not the product anymore. It's the experience around it. And then shift number four, AI is not here to replace you. That trend lasted about 5 minutes. People don't want a robot pretending to be you. They want you, but they can't have you. They are totally okay with having an AI tool that is an amplifier of your thinking, your methodology, your knowledge, your coaching, available when you're not there. That works for them. So build it into your program as the tool that will help them implement and get results. Micro-learning, micro-doing. A student gets stuck, they get help right there. So they take the next step. One of my clients hit 5,000 conversations in the first months. Those are conversations that would have never happened just with content. So the coaches that are already seeing these shifts, they are moving already. They are not starting over. They are upgrading what they have, making it more actionable, creating tools to help people get results. And the gap between them and everyone else is getting wider and wider every week. So now you know, go and do something about it.